I'm Andrew with Powerwash.com, and I'm here to talk about our two-step equipment and our two-step chemicals. Specifically, we're going to talk about our Pink Thunder and our A400, and we'll cut to those in a second. I'll talk about what they are. And then we're also going to talk about our two-step gun, which has a chemical injector and a bypass valve, and I'll talk about what all that does here in just a moment. The two chemicals we're going to use today and show you is our Pink Thunder, which is our base, and our A400, which is our acid. In a two-step process, you have two steps, right? You have your acid and your base. Your first step is your acid, and you spray your acid onto your surface, and then you go back around with the base, and as it's working its way down off the truck, it'll neutralize itself so that you have a neutral solution hidden in the ground. We always recommend you reclaim no matter what, but this is another way that you get that neutral solution so that nothing's ruined in your tanks as well. Along those lines of the chemicals, you'll have to have a setup that you'll be able to easily switch back and forth between your acid and your base, because you have a very short window to switch, right? So this chemical injector that we have on the gun, it has a stainless steel check valve right here. It has your injector on top and then two hose barbs connected to it, controlled by a ball valve. And then on the back side of it, it has just a regular ball valve to switch into bypass, so you just get water, or you can close it and actually get chemical and spray it onto the surface. When you're starting the two-step process, you really have to figure out what chemical works best for you and how concentrated you want this chemical to be. Our chemicals at Powerwash.com, everything is concentrated. One box of Pink Thunder makes about 100 gallons of base. One bucket of A400 makes about 40 gallons of acid. So when you're looking at your stuff, you want to go and ask whoever your salesman is how much does one 5-gallon bucket of the acid make? All of our stuff's concentrated will tell you 40 gallons. The base, 50-pound box, will make you 100 gallons of soap. So that's a really important question that you need to ask yourself when you're spending all the money on the equipment, is how much do you want to spend and how concentrated you want your chemicals. Now I'm going to show you how everything works and how it all goes together. So we'll take our two-step gun. With your two-step gun, you get a 48-inch lance to go with it to give you better reach. And then we're going to test out our Pink Thunder and our A400 and then switch between the two with our ball valve and our two-step gun. So I'm going to go ahead and hook everything up. Now that I have everything set up, ready to go, I'm going to specifically point out that our acid is our red line and our base, our soap, is our blue line. So if I go ahead and pull the trigger now, I have a soap nozzle at the end of it. And actually, with the low pressure, if I go ahead and open up the injector, it might pull. Yep, see, we're getting a little bit of soap. We don't even have the pressure washer on yet. And if we switch between the two, it'll switch over to just our acid, which is clear. It doesn't have any soap in it, so you're not gonna really see it. But I wanted to point out that. And I'll go ahead and get it started, and then I'll switch. I'll show you how it all works in line. So right now we're just getting our acid coming through. And if I switch the ball valve on the bottom right here, it'll pull some soap, and you can see it soap up really well right there. This is supposed to be an easy transition from acid and base to make it fluid, make it efficient for you. And then if I just wanted to rinse, I'll close the ball valve. I'll close that ball valve and I'll just get water up top. That's all I have for you today about our two-step process, our two-step equipment and our two-step chemicals. If you have any more questions or specifically want to know more about truck washing, soft washing, power washing in general, give us a call at 1-800-433-2113. Ask for Andrew if you want to, and I'll be able to help you out.